Good morning, Year One. I hope you are all ready for your English lesson today. And it's a very exciting week this week for English because we are going to start our brand new story. The story that we will be looking at over the next few weeks in our English lessons. Now, I know in Year One we love reading stories and new books, so I hope you enjoy this story. And let's look at our learning objective for our first lesson, okay? So, our learning objective is to make predictions. Now, can you remember what that big word means? Prediction. What is a prediction? Can you have a little think? And can you tell your mums and dads what a prediction is? Yeah? That's right. A prediction is just where we make a good guess, isn't it? And we use predictions all the time when we are reading our stories. And that is why we use this little character. Do you remember this reading character? His name is Percy Prediction, and we use him in our reading, don't we? So let's have a little look how we can be successful today in our English lesson. So our success criteria first, today we are going to look at the front cover of our new story. That means we need to look closely at the picture for clues. Second, you need to come up with your own ideas. So what ideas do you have about this story? Now, the last one is a word we use all of the time, is to be able to use the word because to explain our answers. So, let's have a little look. So, we are going to be using two of our reading characters today. Now, as it's a brand new story, the first thing we need to do is use our Percy prediction. We are going to come up with our own idea. What is the story about? And we're also going to use Ivy inference. You can see she's got her magnifying glass ready, where you are looking closely for clues in pictures and words. Okay, right. Are you ready to see the title of our new story? Okay. Our new story for English is the story called Beegu. Beegu is the title of our new story, and the author, can you see the author's name at the top? Is Alexis Deacon. So, our task for today is to predict what we think our new story is going to be about. So, can you see there? We've got our talking tiger, and he's asking, what do you think the story is going to be about and why? Now, let's look at some questions where we can discuss and be talking tigers about this front cover. So these questions should help us. Are we ready? The first question is, what can you see in the background? So you have to look closely and think about what is in the background of this front cover. Another question, what time of day it is? What time of day is it? So another reason to look very closely. What is the main character? What is that? I'm not sure. Can you have a good guess? And the last one, what do you think Beegu means? What does the title actually mean? So we're going to have a think about those questions. Now, before we write our prediction, I want you to pause this video, okay, and really have a think about some of these questions or anything else that you notice about this front cover and come up with your own ideas. Okay, so pause it for now and have a little talk. Okay, right, let's see our activity for today. So, for our activity, you are going to write your prediction down. And what's that special conjunction word that we use? That's right, we are going to use the word because. So I'll just show you a little example template. Okay? So in our writing, you should be able to start your sentence with I think. Okay? So I think the story will be about blah 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 because da, 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 da. Something that maybe you've seen or an idea you've had, you're using your imagination, whichever you think. Remember, this is just a prediction, so you don't have to be right. Yeah, it is just what you think, your ideas. So see if you can write a few sentences about thinking about what that story could be about. Our brand new story, Beegu. Right, you can either print off the prediction sheet and use a 1-star, 2-star, or 3-star, or if you don't have a printer, that's absolutely fine. You can write your prediction straight into your purple books. And for this work, please can you upload to your teachers so that they can give you feedback on your writing. Okay, right. I can't wait to see some of your imaginative ideas about our brand new story, and I hope that you enjoy. Okay, bye, year one.